Hello everyone and welcome to your first Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Introduction to Photoshop. Now, what is Photoshop? Photoshop is a graphics based program created with images known as raster graphics. Other graphic applications, that is Illustrator, CorelDRAW and Freehand, create vector graphics. Now, vector graphics are composed of solid lines, curves and other geometric shapes that are defined by a set of mathematical instructions. Now, these instructions help the image to retain its quality no matter how much you scale it, because being a vector image, since it is comprised of all the mathematical terms, if you scale it, it won't affect the quality of the image. Vector images work best for type and other shapes that require a clear, crisp boundaries. So if you have written some text, you may need to scale it up or down depending on your need. Vector graphics works best for text type shapes and other shapes. Raster images work best with photographs. Raster graphics are comprised of a raster, that is a grid of small squares called pixels. Objects in Photoshop are groups of many pixels, each of which can be a different color. Raster images require more memory and storage than vector images. If you scale a raster image, you will see that it will get pixelated and the quality will degrade. Since the raster images is made up of small squares, so you can say dots. So these dots, when you scale them up, they go apart in distance a little bit. So depending on how much you scale them, their distance increases. So if you scale too much, you will see the image will get pixelated, that is, you will see the image comprising of dots and each dot will have its own color. Photoshop is a memory hungry program, since if you put the image having large grid, that is a large number of pixels, then the image will take large space. But if you put less pixels, the image's quality will be down. All in all, Photoshop is a memory hungry program. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. We will learn about the interface now in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.